I still remember when we were house hunting, guys. One thing that was on my very top list was to have 2 or more living rooms. The reason is that not because we needed extra space, but I wanted to have a luxurious formal living room with my Victorian furniture. And not forgetting some smart features as well. Alexa, open the blinds. Yeah, 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 yeah. Alexa, close the blinds. So see, it's a room without TV, a room designed for conversations and hosting family and friends. Not only that, it's also designed, having a meeting with a client or having that quiet moment in a beautiful space. So when we found this home, I knew this room had the potential to become exactly what I had imagined. And see, it's one of my favorite rooms in this entire house. But as much as I love this room, I believe it deserves some refresh. There are certain things that I'm going to change in this room. I cannot wait to share with you all. So yes, in today's video, we'll be doing some cleaning. Of course, we have to clean before we decorate, right? And also I'll be changing this console table. So we are going to put together some beautiful, stunning statement piece console table, and I'll also be introducing an olive tree in this room, like an olive tree plant. Also adding some new planters and some wall art lights. It's just going to be very beautiful, and I hope you are going to really enjoy this part of this video and pick some inspirations as well. Yeah, 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 yeah. So yes, friends, this is how the space looked before. Right away, you can tell it's missing the greenery and fresh living feel. So yes, a little cleaning and some plants can really complement the space. So stay tuned and don't go anywhere. One thing I will always recommend is dusting first. Whenever you want to clean, just dust first, because you know what surprises me? The amount of dust you find when you dust first. It's so easy to go straight to wiping mirrors and surfaces, but after construction, dust finds its way to enter every little corner. So I took my time and dusted everything before moving on. Since I was already in deep clean mode, I figured I might as well do it right. So you see, every corner got some love. And of course, I had a little help from my smart robot vacuum. It vacuums, mops, and honestly makes keeping the house clean so much easier. Hi friends, if you are new here, you are so welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Getty Eleos, Creative Director and CEO of the Getty Eleos Luxury Home Concept LLC. I'm a mom of 2 beautiful humans and wife to a wonderful husband. On this channel, I share my home and clients' transformations, remodeling, interior and exterior design, some clean with me videos to inspire you and your kids to live in a clean and beautiful home. If you enjoy this kind of content, please like and subscribe for more. Yeah. Guys, am I the only one who always get excited about packages, right? I just love packages. And right here, I know some people really love real plants, and I totally get it. But over here, between work life and taking care of my little human, I honestly don't have the energy to keep real plants alive. But I absolutely love greenery and the way it brings life and warmth into my home. So I'm always looking for artificial plants that look as realistic as possible. And here comes my new olive tree, guys. The setup was really simple and easy, and it looks so realistic. I will leave the link in the description just in case you want to check it out. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, so this planter is amazing, guys. It is the real deal, okay? Nothing plastic or cheap about it. I love the beautiful texture, the details around the edge, the height, everything. It's exactly what I wanted for this space. And because you all know I love soft life, right? So I added a plant candy with wheels under it, just so I can easily move it from one spot to the other without struggling at all. Now just watch how I put everything together, added my olive plant, and brought the whole look to life. I absolutely love how beautiful it turned out.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yes, so this was my old console table, guys, and I decided it was time for a change.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
I went with this beautiful black console table. It's simple, but definitely a statement piece. You know one thing, thankfully, hubby is very handy, so he put everything together for me. And of course, I gave it a good wipe.
Yeah, yeah. Oh.
Then came my favorite part, decorating. Friends, do you see what I see? I love how everything fits perfectly without making the space feel crowded.
When I think about all my plans, everything I need, always want more money to spend, cause I got these mouths to feed. Then I think about where I've been, and I must believe that if you didn't hear,
you already know I love lights. So this picture light over the artwork was the perfect finishing touch. It even has 3 light settings with the remote. I mean, everything just came together so beautifully, from the lamp to the diffuser and the core. I'm obsessed. What do you think about this space, guys? It's just beautiful.
I'll do it again. God has been too good to me. Every good and perfect thing. Let's see what today may bring for my good. For my good. It's so working. For my good. For my good. For my good. It's gonna work out. For my good. Yeah. Let me tell you just how I know when I lost it all. He returned it 100-fold.
One thing I like about decorating is knowing when to stop.
Oh, when I lost it all.
You all know my luxurious Victorian furniture already is a statement piece. So I kept everything else very simple. And for the coffee table, I added a mirror tray, a Dior book diffuser, candle, and a little greenery. Let's check the coffee table. It's simple, elegant, and everything blends beautifully. Now sit back and enjoy the final look. If you watched this far, thank you so much. Kindly like and subscribe to join our beautiful but small community. I will see you in my next video. My family room makeover, and guys, the transformation is massive. I cannot wait to share with you all. Stay tuned. I love you, but God loves you more.
Yeah, yeah.